to make your back and arms thinner. Number first, make fists and slap your ribs. Number two, shoulders opening and arm expansions. Number three, rise and fold down the arms. Number 4. Cross your arms upward and fold down. Number 5. W styles arms and necks extensions. W style arms extensions. Number 6. Make fists and bend elbows to expand chest. Number 7. Cross your arms in front of your chest and fold down. Number 8. Arms akimbo. Number 9. Pull the arms back. Number 10. Lift your arms and press down. Foot on shoulders to expand chest. Number 12. Right arm swing up, left arm swing down. Number 14. Swing your arms up and down a little laterally. Pull down sets of shoulder and neck exercise for thick back, arms and back are thinner. Number 15. Make fists and slap your birds. Thick back,